Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about issue which occur in Photoshop CC with the name of could not initialize Photoshop because the scratch is got full. Viewers, basically this issue occurs when C drive is full. So in order to resolve this issue you simply have to free up some space. Like you can see, I'm deleting some files from my desktop to free up my C drive, as well cleaning my recycle bin. Let's start Photoshop again and see what happens. Boom, it's working without showing any error. Hope you like my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel. Bye for now.